Good morning, children. This is my house at Palakhimundi. This is located in the Piedmont area of Boya Hills. Children, behold this natural environment behind my house. This is my pen work on environment. Kindly listen. Environment, an elemental expression of terrestrial excellences, where nature rejoices with loftiest mountains and low hills, aquatic profiles of seas, rivers and rills, green covers of forest with wild animals, silver sky, open-winged birds, fertile soils with golden crops, migratory sun and moon, clouds and torrential rain, environment significantly vital for life's growth. To save environment, have a four, 5 in a row. 1. Limit our needs. 2. Grow tree. 3. Never pollute. 4. Protect animals and birds. 5. Love landscapes. Dear children, today's assignment is a survey map or topographical map, and the topic is scale. You see, the word map begins with M. M means measurement. So, scale is a measurement device. It establishes the relationship between the map distance and the ground distance. Now you see, this is the illustration, and it goes without the scale. Without measurement, I promoted this illustration. So it is not at all a map. But when I add the scale like 1 cm to 20 kilometer, with this definite scale, this map has been promoted, and this map claims its maphood, or this figure becomes a map. Clear? Once again I emphasize, scale establishes the relationship between the map distance and the corresponding distance on the ground. Scales are of three types: the verbal scale, then RF, representative fraction, and third one is linear scale. Now look at this map. This is the bottom margin of the map. Here you see the extreme right of this linear scale, it reads 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer, and here it reads 1:50,000, and the line itself is a linear scale or a graphical scale. Now you see the verbal scale. Verbal scale is also said to be the word scale or statement scale. Verbal scale, word scale or statement scale. Clear? It reads in this survey map, it is shown 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. That means 2 centimeter on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground. And this is given in the form of a statement. Similarly, you can say 1:1 mile. This is also in the form of word. This is also a statement scale, word scale, or a verbal scale. Clear? Next scale, RF. RF means representative fraction, or it is otherwise known as mathematical scale. In representative fraction, the map land ratio is shown in the form of a fraction. Here, RF, its formula reads map distance by ground distance. You see, when the question is given to you, convert the verbal scale into representative fraction. Here the verbal scale is 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Now you convert into RF. Accordingly, my map distance here is 2 centimeter and ground distance is here 1 kilometer. Clear? Now you need to convert this denominator into a numerator form. 2 centimeter by 1 kilometer. So 2 by 1 kilometer has 1000 meters and 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So you get the figure 2 by 1:50, or 1 lakh. Now divide it, you get 50,000. Clear? 1:50,000 is the representative fraction. Now in this scale, 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer is the verbal scale. When we convert, we get this figure 1:50,000. Dear children, here you notice In the verbal scale, centimeter and kilometer is given. But in this context, no units of measurements are given. That means you have free choice, free option to select and elect any units of measurement. Suppose you think it is 1 centimeter, then it is 50,000 centimeter. If you consider it is 1 kilometer, then it is 50,000 kilometer. Clear? Now third scale, linear scale. Here you see, this is a line drawn and has been divided into many parts, and each bigger divisions are said to be the primary and the smaller divisions are secondaries. Now look at this illustration, and each primary division is done at interval of 2 centimeter, as it reads 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. But here the first primary has been divided into 10 equal parts, and each is called the secondary division, and each secondary division represents 100 meters. Clear? And with the help of this scale, linear scale, we can measure the distance between the two places and two objects. Clear? And the very purpose of scale, the first purpose, with the help of scale we can enlarge or reduce the size of the map, and second, with the help of scale we can measure the distance between the two objects or two places.